You may be considering fixing your home loan right now, and I'm here to talk about whether that's the right thing to do or not. I've been in finance for 10 years now, and I've never seen interest rates as low as where they are today. You can fix with probably your own bank right now for low 2%. Now, fixed means the rate will stay the same for the fixed period. So whether it's 1 to 5 years is the maximum you can fix in Australia. Overseas in the US and UK, you can actually fix for 10, 15, 20 years. We're not there yet. The max period you can fix in Australia is 5 years. Now, you may have seen some deals in the low 2% for 1 up to 5 years, and it is good value because your variable is probably sitting somewhere in the 3%, so you probably will save money. Now, there is some statistics around saying that if you fix, however, 80% of the time the variable will stay lower during the fixed period. So a lot of people have gotten caught out if they fix, and if the rates actually in fact go further lower, you're locked in at that rate. Now that's one of the risks. So if you lock in at a fixed rate and the rates continue to drop, you're stuck there. One of the pros though is if you do fix and if the rates go up, you'll obviously be locked in at your fixed rate. So that's the pros and cons to a fixed. Some other things which you sort of lose when you fix is your ability to redraw and have an offset account. So you can pay a limited extra repayments, usually 5 to 10 grand per year they allow you to pay on top of the minimum repayments with a fixed loan. So just check with your lender, and if you don't know, get in touch and we can tell you. All banks have different features. And if you do make extra repayments, you can't redraw it back out. Whereas with a variable loan, you can make an unlimited extra repayments. And if you make extra repayments and you need the money, you can redraw it back out because it's flexible. So there's pros and cons to fixed and variable. That's why a lot of the times here at Mad Loans, we normally do a split loan. So we do some fixed, some variable. So my clients actually have both the offset account and redraw ability with a variable loan, but they have the security of a fixed loan. So hopefully that gives you guys a bit more of understanding about fixed rates. One more thing I wanted to mention before we actually finalize this video is rate lock. Rate lock actually gives you the ability to guarantee your rate today. So where rates are now, they may not be in 1 month. So if you've just bought a property and settlements in a month and your bank's told you, yep, we can do 2.19 fixed for 2 years, that's today. In 1 month's time, the rate could go up. So you have to look into rate lock. Now that costs somewhere between $450 to $750, and it guarantees that rate on settlement because rates could go up. Thanks very much everyone. George Samios here, and I'll see you next time.